Anime girl mascot design? Let's go!
This is a commissioned artwork for Inday Trending at ang request ni client, isang anime girl mascot design. Dapat young professional ang datingan niya. Kaya medyo mukhang pang-office yung kanyang outfit. Yung line art, pinulido natin yan using Adobe Illustrator. Dito na rin tayo naglagay ng kulay at pinulido yung buong artwork. Shoutout nga pala kina Carlos Santiago, Felix Chereguin Jr. at Randy Gonzalez. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. Now let's go back to the artwork. Now let's check out the details. I-zoom in natin sa kanyang mukha. Ito naman yung details ng kanyang damit. And of course, vector artwork po yan.
Kung kailangan mo naman as na design like this one, PM lang. Salamat!